What? That was amazing! Well, hi, everybody! You look so cute in your chef hats. Don't they look adorable, everybody? Oh, thank you for coming. Well, my name is Kit and Caboodle, and I don't know about you, but I am so ready to play with all of you and our Disney Junior friends. I mean, isn't playing with your friends and make-believe and music so much better when we're all together, right? Yeah. All right, well, if you agree with me, let me hear you say nice and loud, let's play! I agree. And what better place than right here at the Purr Play home of my favorite feline heroes, the SuperKitties! We love them. And today, Junior Chefs, guess what? They are planning a surprise birthday party for Pickles. Oh yeah, Pickles is the #1 fan of all the SuperKitties in Kittendale. In fact, you want to see a picture of him? He's so cute. Wait till you see him. Are you ready? Bam! I know. And this is the invitation to the party, so you are all invited! All right, now your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to create delicious cupcakes for the party. Do you think you can do that? Oh, I love it. Now, I'm not kidding around. This is going to be a cantacular celebration. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Oh, I love that yes, we have a question. Well, that is a very good question. You know what? They're waiting for us to do Paws Out, Claws Out. I don't know if you know it or not, though. Do you? You know Paws Out, Claws Out? Well, let's do it together. Ready? Get your paws up. And let's do Paws Out, Claws Out. One more time, nice and loud. Let me hear you. Paws out, claws out. Friends and family, here we go. Paws out, claws out. Oh, yeah. Now we're getting ready. Huh, Mari? However, we are going to be decorating cupcakes, correct? So we should probably do a little warm-up, and what better way than to dance? What if we did it to Bitsy's favorite song, Oopsie Kitty? Do you know it? Of course you do. You're so cool. All right, everybody stand on up and just follow along with me if you don't know it. And if not, just dance your little hearts out and let's play. What do you say? Now follow me. Are you ready? We're going to jump. We're going to go. Oh my goodness. Around, and then we're going to snap. Jump again. Fly like a plane. Do it again. Ready? Now we're going to shake our arms. You are doing so good. Jump. And jump, brush your shoulder. Let's do it from the top and jump. And jump. Around. So cute. You are so cute. Fly like a plane. There you go. And oopsie kitty. Shake your arms. One again. Jump. Now jump and go. Whoop, whoop. You save the day. Yay! Oh, I just love Oopsie Kitty. That is a catchy tune. Did you like that, Amy?
It's party time!
Oh my goodness, look, it's the SuperKitties. Jenny, Sparks, Freddy, and Bitsy. Everybody say hi!
There's so many of you!
I know, and we cannot help to help you plan Pickle's birthday party.
This is gonna be so surprised.
Yep.
Okay, kitties, let's make sure we have everything.
Good idea, Jenny.
Decorations. Got 'em! And they're super sparkly. Perfect, Bitsy. Games? I've got balls of yarn. And squeaky toys to play with. Awesome job, buddy. Birthday cake? Our friend Biscuit is on her way with the cake. Looks like we have everything. Hit again. Super Kitty Paw!
What? This is amazing! Let me hear you sing. SuperKitties, how can we help you plan Pickles' birthday party to perfection?
Pickles loves cupcakes. While we find out who took Pickles' birthday cake, you and our new friends can start on the cupcakes.
Positively, we are on it.
Toss it, SuperKitties.
Toss
We're
it.
brave. We're smart. We're strong. We're kind. SuperKitties, go!
Oh yeah, all right, my junior chefs, you heard it. It is time to save the day with some creativity, so let's play. But you know what? First we need to level up with some kitty kits. Oh yeah, that's all the things you need to decorate a cupcake. So help me out here. What do we need to decorate a cupcake? What should we have in our kitty kits? Tell me, go ahead. Cupcakes, very good idea. I heard it over here too. What do we need? Frosting. You think we need frosting? What about 2 kinds of frosting? And then what about the little things you put on the top? What are those called? Sprinkles. All right, so let's go down the list here. Cupcake, frosting, and sprinkles. I think my kitty kids have all of that. Oh my gosh, are you so excited? Love your shirt, by the way. Fan favorite. Oh yeah, Marie is one of the best cats in the world. And here they come. Now, once you get your kitty kits, just open it up and think to yourself, I wonder what the SuperKitties would do to start. And I think they would get their claws right in there. Right? I love your pink cast. You are very brave. Yes. Oh, and hi, Snow White. I got to get your gooseberry pie recipe. That's a good one over here. Movie's doing great too, by the way. How are we doing over here? Tinkerbell, love your new. Oh yes, we got it all going on. Now, just squeeze away. They're already fixed for you. Yeah. I see some of the kids are putting the frosting directly into their mouth. Well done, parents. I like the way you raised them. My kind of kid. Yeah, just open it all up. Daniel, how they doing over here? You're doing all right? Fabulous. You are being so patient. Give yourselves a hand. You're being so patient. Look at this. You get a reward. Oh my goodness. We got some that look like a Matterhorn over here. I challenge you to use all your frosting and all your sprinkles. I don't know if you can do that. I know for sure our Disney Junior friends use everything. Oh yeah, they do. For sure. But I gotta tell you, because of your positive catitudes, your cupcakes look amazing. Love the pink boots, by the way, Sissy. You gonna decorate your cupcake? What was that? Did you hear that? There it is again. Wait a minute. That sounds awfully familiar. I know that cat. That cat is Figaro. You know, Figaro was a little kitty cat. That's Minnie Mouse's cat. Would that be amazing if Minnie Mouse was here? No, Minnie's not here. This is the SuperKitties area. What do you mean? Where? What? You were kidding me. Hi. Oh, what? You look adorbs. Everybody say hi, Minnie Mouse. I am so happy you're here. But what's the occasion? Oh, wait a minute. I know. Figaro was invited to the birthday party, wasn't he? Of course he was. He's very popular. And you know what they say? Cats may lounge in the sun all day unless they're invited to a fun party. And I know you're wondering where the SuperKitties are, right? Well, let me tell you something. They are off solving the mystery of Pickles' missing birthday cake. But don't worry, because look at our junior chefs. They are doing a meowsing job, and they are creating cupcakes for the birthday party. Aren't they doing a great job, Minnie Mouse? Oh, and let me tell you a little secret about this one here. She is a baker. That is her favorite. In fact, maybe you might have a nice tip on how our junior chefs can help create delectable delights. What do you got? Oh boy. Oh, yes, that is brilliant. Create from your heart. Oh, Minnie Mouse, how do you come up with these things? You have another one? What could it be? Oh, she's getting ready. Oh, come on. You know paws out, claws out. We know paws out, claws out. We should do it together. What do you think? All right, all my junior chefs, hold off on decorating for 1 second. Get your paws up. And here we go. Let me hear you. Paws out, claws out. I want to hear it not so loud. Now back to the situation about Figaro. Well, he's around here somewhere. You'll find him. But before you go, wouldn't it be amusing if we could get a group photo with you? Would you all like that? All right then, friends and family, it's your job. Go ahead and get those cameras up. Come on, I'm going to give you a second to get ready. Get your cameras up, everyone. You might want to put it on, I don't know, portrait mode. And Minnie Mouse right there. There you go. Now, all my junior chefs, I want you to turn around and face your friends and family. And on the count of 3, let's say cheesecake. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cheesecake. I think that's a framer, don't you, Minnie? All right, my dear, I think you need to... I heard him again. He's closer than you think. Bye, Minnie Mouse. Everybody say bye, Minnie. She's such a good mommy to that Figaro, and he's so cute. Have you seen him? He's the cutest kitty ever. I love it, and you saw your sprinkles. What's happening? What?
Look at all those delicious cupcakes.
You gotta be kidding me. You found the missing birthday cake. That is Confection, Purrfection. But wait, who was the culprit, huh?
It was Cat Burglar. He stole the cake. Cat Burglar was so sad he wasn't invited.
Aw.
So he was gonna make sure no one enjoyed Pickle's birthday. Let's invite Cat Burglar too.
Birthdays are for sharing. It's so much better when no one feels left out. And I'm taking that to heart.
Ah, that is a great message, Bitsy. But wait, since you found the missing birthday cake, that means all of our junior chefs get to take their cupcakes home! Confection, Purrfection.
Thank you, Super Helpers, for helping us save the day.
Aww.
Bye, everyone.
It's our pleasure. Everybody say bye, SuperKitties. Couldn't have done it without you, junior chefs. I hope you had the best time playing with all of your friends and our Disney Junior friends. Did you have a good time? Yay! And you get to keep your cupcakes. Go ahead and wrap those kitty kids up, and all of you can collect your junior chefs and just one Mianas, so hang tight. But before we go, how about we do one more really loud paws out, claws out with feline. Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.